Welcome to Card Cube Group, a leader in smart card manufacturing and customization. Our production line offers a wide range of personalized card products, including epoxy cards, oversized ID cards, woven label mini cards, dual chip cards, bendable NFC tag cards, contact chip cards, and quant-style tags. With 248 sets of punching molds and 2 CNC engraving machines, we are equipped to meet diverse shape and size requirements with precision. We offer material options tailored to various application scenarios, including PVC, PET, PC, RFID, PLA, as well as biodegradable wood and coconut-based substrates. Our monthly production capacity reaches an impressive 20 million cards. Printing is carried out using offset, screen, and digital printing methods. For offset printing, we operate 5 imported Heidelberg SM presses from Germany, combined with high-grade PVC from Jiangsu Huaxin and internationally certified inks. Our senior offset technicians, each with over a decade of industry experience, ensure consistently high-quality output. Now entering our screen printing workshop, a time-honored process ideal for specialty finishes such as signature panels, metallic bases, and UV overlays. Its precision and versatility make it irreplaceable in high-end card production. For short runs, urgent deadlines, or highly customized orders, our digital printers provide fast turnaround and excellent output without compromising quality. In our lamination workshop, we apply cold press, low temperature, or high-pressure lamination techniques, fusing printed layers and core sheets into large master panels with optimal integrity. 3 fully automated punching machines, along with 2 semi-automated units for non-standard shapes, accurately cut each panel into individual finish cards. For specialized coin-style labels, our automated adhesive application systems use roll-fed 3M backings, ensuring one-to-one alignment and consistent pressure without manual intervention. Next is quality control, a 2-step process ensuring every card meets our rigorous standards. Step 1. Visual inspection. Our automated detection systems identify and reject cards with surface issues such as scratches, contamination, delamination, color variance, or misaligned punching, maximizing efficiency with minimal error. Step 2. Functional testing. For chip-enabled cards with laser codes, UV marks, or fiber-etched identifiers, we use dot region positioning, UV inspection, fiber laser coding, and automated labeling systems to synchronize physical quality with chip performance. Finally, we move to packaging. Options include individual polybags, open or sealed 10-card packs, inner membranes, and shrink wrap, all designed to protect surface finishes and ensure each product arrives in perfect condition. At CardCube, quality is more than a standard, it is our commitment. From raw materials to finished product, every step is engineered for excellence.